Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the next feature of MX Excel, that is data validation. MX Excel allows you to set certain rules to restrict the type of data or values to be entered in a cell. This feature is known as data validation. It is used to ensure that the data entered in the field is accurate. It basically checks for the validity of data. Now let us learn how to apply data validation feature. For this I have created a database consisting of field name, roll number, name, class and age. Now suppose I want to apply data validation in the field age. So for this, first select the range from D1 to D6. Now click on the Data tab and go to the Data Validation drop-down arrow present in the Data Tool group. So select the Data Validation option from the drop-down arrow. So I click on the Data Validation and you can see that a dialog box of data validation will appear. By default, the Setting tab is selected. Now, define the following features in the dialog box. Click on the Allow drop-down arrow and select Whole number. In the Data drop-down, select the option Between. In the minimum and maximum text boxes, type 10 and 13 and now select the input message tab present in the dialog box over here. Now in the title you can type valid data and in the input message you can enter between 10 and 13. 10 and 13 are the minimum and maximum values we have entered in the text box. Now click on the error alert option. Now in the style, select the warning option. So we will get a warning logo over here. In the title text box, enter invalid data. In the error message box, type incorrect input and click on OK button. Now you will notice that the input message appears in the selected range. It says valid data, enter between 10 to 13. So we have applied a data validation for age field name in which data can be entered only between 10 and 13. Now suppose if we select the cell D2 and I enter the age as 14, which does not meet the specified criteria which I have mentioned in the data validation, and click on enter option. Now you can see that the Excel prompts an invalid data warning box. See, incorrect input and a warning will appear on your screen. Click on no to change the value in the cell. So in this manner, we can set certain rules to restrict the type of data or values to be entered in the cell. So in this way, you can apply any rules or set of rules to restrict the type of data to be entered in your database. Thank you, students.